Determinado ya ang San Fernando LGU na pasikdangan ang smart at sustainable na pamumugobyerno. Ay na report.
Banglakwa sa patatagan ng advokasya ng City Government ng San Fernando, karasking innovation at sustainability, may kisan metong lareng miyembro ng Science, Technology and Innovation Technical Working Group king Smart Sustainable City Seminar Workshop aganapan inyang October 7 to 9, 2025 king Executive Building ng syudad. Ingat lungaldong workshop king pamakisan metong king Department of Science and Technology o DOST Region 3, penimunande ring eksperto iba't king University of the Philippines Los Baños o UPLB. Kapag nasaning aktibidad ng palawakan pa yung kebaluan at kakayanan dareng personnel ng syudad king pamagplano at pamagpatupad kareng proyektong makabase king datos at makatutok king sustainable development bilang parti ning pambansang inisyatiba papunta king Smart City. Penimunanin ng Technical Working Group Chairperson at City General Services Officer at Acting City Administrator Engineer Michael Quizon Jr. Reng Mekisan Metong Kayabe, Co-Chairperson at City ICT Officer Attorney James Francis Villanueva at Reng Tubod, iba't kareng miyayaliwang opisina ng syudad. Kapamilatan ng seminar iti, balaos ng isulong ng San Fernando LGU kapag nasa na maging smart, sustainable at resilient city ng San Fernando agagamit teknolohiya at innovation para king mas epektibong serbisyo publiko at mata sa kalidad ning biedareng Fernandino. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.